What's your name, little evil Vira? Look at you coming up. Little black kitty. It's so pretty. I want to show you where your stuff is first. Look at you purring. Look at your little paw. I love your little paw. I hear ya. Listen to you, little engine that could. Alright, the room's a little bit messy, or it is actually very messy. It's Babette noticing there's a cat in here.
Oh, she saw it under the door, huh?
Yesness. This is how it works in the universe. I was using this as a stand for the camera. Little happy buddy head. Boosie butt. Boosie butt. Where is the Boosie? Boosie kitty. Where is she? Listen to you. You're a train of heart. You're a train of heart. Yes, you are. I knew you right when I wanted you. I'm like, that's my guy. I'm like, no cutter. You trying to get up on the couch or the bed? Huh? Go explore. Explore the universe. That's called... It's called a laundry basket. That's the universe. A laundry basket. Get used to it, woman. It's my joke. Yeah, I love you already. Huh? Perfect.
All right, grab up the kitty because I gotta come in there.
Alright, hold on.